abusuafo asɛm bi asi ɛwɔ aduma na asɛm wei a big miracle pa asɛm wei ɛkyɛnkuri and the Ghana Police Service for the update of this story.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with an exciting news. Okay, this news came as a shock to me, but then that's the reason why I brought it here, so we, like you and I, can reason. I don't know how true this is, so let me just say allegedly, okay? And I am also here to ask you question if really is true. I beg, I want to hear the real, like the true, the real gist in the comment section, because they were speaking tree in this video, throughout the video. So I would love to have more detail, but from the title of this very video, it is said that a dead man miraculously woke up and helped Ghana police arrest his killer. I've never heard this kind of thing in my entire life, so it's indeed a miracle. Guys, let's get right into it so you guys will hear it in details and also explain to me what really happened. Let's watch, and definitely I'll await your response in the comment section.
On 19th October, apparently be a friend a kwabena yencha. On any young your friend a kwabena boating. Umutu abobo ya. No mo boss. E catch up me say o tu kwan Kumasi obeba nwumre. That was on a Sunday morning no. And our boss crowd me say nwumre no baba. Njo mo paki abobo ya no. No mo rest kakra for the day. Anche me say apparently be a friend a Sani Abacha. From say obeso ko fanija fi afum. Na rawo sem say abrantie Sani Abacha wa ye na adwen say obeku mofra ne mienu ho awi abobo ya omudu nwo mo baabi na che say isum wo honom no fra sikan omutiri mu pe twitwa omo enuku omo na abrantie Sani Abacha wo tama abobo ya yi wo fe ne yonku bi ya fe na ye Erika Santi omukoton ma abrantie bi ya se fe ne Balawe omu ye no mo first kan Kumasi asafo straight ye ho na omukọ chile Yes, new plan station honum coach safo labor cement honum sport e wo nyina mo ni na musa chile George ni ade na abobo ya wura no wo fro Kumasi aba back to Aduma owu na abobo ya ne boys yo no mo ya adwuma yi kwabna bo che ni kwabra ye nkyira owu omo afede ya adwendwe ade boys na wia abobo ya ne de adwane ana mo fa hin na wo say report na eja omo ye search omo organize search party na eja omo hwehwe ba bia mofra no wo mo ehu omo edana nwumre no ade achen yeso obi nam ne kokofuom e waduma honom e wo hu se ati obi e ho anase nipa na se ohome ohome but onkasa mbeja ye no ho na ti sa branch ye fe na ye kwabna ye nkia na ye unconscious eneja obob na omkofa no ni kopie mu St Patrick Hospital asem we e ho ne yesi dan insuo to ye no dana nwumre ati sa asem ni sie ni insuo to papa it is about me kwabna yenkyira kopie mu e wo St Patrick Hospital and omo yoma den say omo say konwura mu ho no makohwehwe say bia na kwabna boaten so so mahu no but unfortunately mo kwa na kwabna boaten wa fi mu na injuries kwabna boaten eye no similar injuries ana to ye kwabna yenkyira omo tirim no omo kon che say e ka say ko butwa amanche ni tie free so say sika no yesi Abacha oni so when na so oku omo ye esan so omo nim no ko mo honom omo nim no into emanifo so he wasn't going to spare kwabna yenkyira ni miraculously one film. So 19th October na asem see 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 5 days later. Na just a time no kwabna yenkyira otimi eti asem na ni ate okasa no ho a wote otimi ya no kakra ne ade ahode kakra ba ni mu. Ena otimi buoma police for abrantie Sani Abacha Kumasi asafo yesi wo sport bi no wato bia ana ne George tua na no na police for bobo no hey abrantie hands up won wo kodi sa nyamra sem no o se ayin e ono ne nyon nko a o ne nyon nko ye fe na ye Erika Santi ene di saboni no that is omuwie no mokoton ma third person na bobo ya no omoton no 3,500 cedis e do 5,000 cedis in pool. Abobo ya no moto no 3,500 cedis. Just imagine. Abobo ya ne board no. Because of 3,500 cedis can 35 million cedis inti. Na kanipa million ukom for what reason? Enti ne Ghana Police Service for a release statement. Temranti you Sani Abacha and Erika Santi. Ya chi omo kwako fisi law. Na hwe Sani Abacha no. me a boy be a what paya 23 and he scanning you to say dana ya chi omo so mo di kodidi omo di kodi fufuo so asafo ho no join to ho no na tete omo kansem we asia we ko na ni pati mo sondodo eti ne kwabena yencha miraculously survive it will read a Ghana police service almost statement I'm say mrantia no one robbery na tete omo wi abobo ya no murder na tete omo ko kwabena boating and attempted murder na tete nka kwabena yencha so no komo but miraculously was surviving to ono de no attempted murder. Imagine which omo di bonyache afei na yakopon atwom so krata kwabena boating uja akasa this story anodi Yanka Ghana Police Service formal statement. You and Yakopim, a word man. Eyewitnesses. It is a bit to that. The Ashanti North Regional Police Command has arrested 2 suspects, Sani Abacha, 28 years, and Erica Santi, 23 years, in connection with a case of robbery, murder, and attempted murder that occurred at Eduman in the Kodia municipality on Sunday, October 19, 2025. Preliminary investigations indicate that on the day of the incident, the complainant parked his tricycle, popularly known as Abuboya, at his residence in Eduman, Old Town, and traveled to Kumasi. Upon its return that evening, both the tricycle and the 2 housekeepers, Kwabena Yenchira, 18 years, and Kwabena Boating, were missing. Further investigations revealed that suspect Sani Abacha, age 28, who had planned to rob the tricycle, lured the victims under the pretext of using it to transport firewood from his farm. After leading them into a bush, he attacked both victims with a cutlass, inflicting multiple wounds before fleeing with the tricycle or Abuboya. He later contacted Erica Santi, and together they hit the tricycle at Abuja Cemetery, later selling it to a 3rd suspect, Balawi, who is currently at large. The following morning, a resident found Kwabena Yenchira unconscious in a cocoa farm near the Eduman Old Town Cemetery with deep cutlass wounds to his head, neck, and ear. He was rushed to St. Patrick Hospital, Marcy Offenso, for treatment. Shortly after, the body of Kwabena Boating was also found nearby with similar injuries. Police visited the scene, retrieved a cutlass believed to have been used in the attack, and conveyed the deceased's body to St. Patrick's Hospital for preservation and autopsy.
Bacha, ono ena ya Abuboya ahunti. Wakuma koda ya friend Kwabena Boache. Ono mfi makuma enan. Edu 9 yes 14. Ana Kwame Yenchira ono so mfi no dun 18 years. Ni mo ono de wo mo twa no a kache no kokko makoda offense government hospital near Bompaya San Huberton. Ampa eno ana krache no edi ewusa no wohwe in Facebook wa krache no Sani Abacha no nimfonyini eda so ya obabe hu na dwude de course nyina no akoda ifan Kwabena Boache kwan ofa so kun no twetwa no twa ne tirim mi no twafra nani ma akoda no wuye na yakwase ada ensu to nyina bonkora yi ewo nwam ma ade cheye ansa ana empani ekohwehwe ma hu
information ko nyana
ya nti de course ewo na ohwe Sani Abacha no ena da no we ne tinwi na hwe ne samal na
no obi nti so de bi hwe ho
na aroso no se bra oku akora no no twa ba akora no mi so wu oba akurum no wone omo a ne nam echire hwe memu ano wone omo a ne hwe omo achire yi ena oje hra basa odwan ne ye bedin komo no ha ena ye de ne mfoni to ye nkasa fidie no so ene ye Facebook ne YouTube wo nyina no eno ne nam so a oba aya asafo oba hono no hono ba betena ya sabi Abuboya no wi ya no de call ya ala ba koton sika wonya ye no ode betena asafo ba bi afre ne bibim
asafo bibi
ho no ba betena ya
data kase no ho
omko ye no na se waje nsa okoye na se waje nsa ya sabi ne jot no ne wi kra na wobo eno na mlante no koye ko mkwa kwenye doa anche ana police fo be pie ho mo je kra chende de koye na me chaade ko pie mu e wo kode police station abro ko duru ho no ene wo si cross se meka ne koye wo mu de si ye no enye me nko ana ne me nko na koye ne mum nipa wo bo ame impo plagan wo chembe bia me nkoton no wono no din de Eric adodo na afre ne mafia wono fra Abuja ne mum e ba sin ko di bone na me ko wi Abuboya de a krachi ene bo ame ehona no sika ne shine botom na 2000 no chese pa gan Abuboya no koton ye no ehu sika no na bra mpanifo etu na mo
na Abuboya sa ne to no
yes bra mpanifo tu na mo kokoche kracha ye fe ne mafia no eno no so be chirim se ene kre woni Abacha yi ko di se adwuma no nemum aya bobo ya ka so ton 2000 so be ka ne kore o ka so ka ne se na nyina nemu wanton 2000 no ton 3005 no ton wie ye no o ma no 150
ono na abuja ne
no o ma 1005 aya ka ne sika 50 million o ma ne bi na bra wo de sika ne ma no o kro ba fie kura no aya kra che ne ka sai se ono ana no mo nam wan wuti information afre abacha ne ka sai ne ba ba hwe hwanti pa ba bi gina nti sika ne kura mo de bi kura so edidi nti me no ka sai de ono bam kwa che no mo ko de police station no ya de ko gina court ami ko pie mo court no de abeto mo nyina ne se bra ya de ko gina court na police prosecutor be gina dem che se asem ne ba ye no afei eno mo so ye mo hwehwe mu nto mbese court mo mmere sanse ba bia praga kwamfa so de call aya ala ba ho no de otoye impu hwan na show machi o mo so me hwehwe mu nto mfa aye sane abacha ye sane abacha woni kwame yanchira engogo shim bosome ba ko nti eye bosome be sin ne de to so
obesan kokko
aduonu enum na sane abacha woni na damfo a woni ne wiwia eye abobo ya wo mba ko gina eye court bio eye court circuit court na afi so die emna na se no de die om samne die me no ka se sane abacha woni na damfo a woni ne wia eye abobo ya ne prage a ewo eye aduma ne pata abuja e kwane die so to prage na ye mo ko da no pass de a oba be fa e akọ na yan hye no so sa akra ba akọ no to na nanom nsero na emu no sa aposifo nso koye mu nhwemu me no ka se enni ya no aposifo ayi bibia wi omudi emu no e da ma abusu nyame adomo na wo twe besim no e na sa akoda ye fa no kwabena boache no do 14 years
no
pen fo kwakọ pen kwabe e wa aduman
mebe wo be kokko to ndabe
ye be ko 25th November
na ma si ndabe
next week
next week be ko yi wa aduman
ye be ko aduman
dema
me no ka se de kracha ye kwabena watching 14 years na ye ne de is apostle de emu no amoso ma hwehwemu ya mo ye nyentom de emu no ama abusuan na afenso so eye kwame yanchira no de no twi abobo ya nankasa no a wona otwitwa no ka so wu a nyame ncha de nsu to akwasi ada no gu no so ade ache ye no no onwu ye no nyame ya adomo a wonso so woda guso agya yarehwe e wo hospital eye ayasabia wo offenso okay ofa asem si ye be na wotwe nsa ye di akire nyina asem ka kire se ye prama we so de asem se nka no yo nya ho ne mu ye di akire ekope asem ba bi wa komiti asane abacha de woni adamfo eye mafia de